My name's Barry Lane, and I wrote a book called After the End, Teaching and Learning Creative Revision. One of the lessons in that book is that time to a writer is like Play-Doh in the hands of a toddler. You can stretch it out and make a long stretch of time, take one little moment and stretch it out, or you could compress time. You could write a sentence like, nothing much happened the first 10 years of my life in a compressed time like this. And then maybe one big thing happens that one day, and that becomes, you're stretching that time out. And I call that exploding a moment. And they're in my book, After the End, I talk about a few ways that writers explode moments. One of them is to use snapshots. Everyone go like this, like that. Or thought shots, point to your head and go, bubble popping noise. Bubble popping, or some dialogue. Everyone go wah 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 wah. And with students, you can look at a piece of writing. One of the things I want to show students about writing is all the possibility. See this dough, you can do anything with it. You can add this or that, and once you know a few of the techniques that writers use to play with time, you can do the same thing with time that you do with Play-Doh. You see, writing is about finding your story, your voice. And oftentimes in school it's taught as though, it's a prescribed kind of thing. You need to write this kind of genre or that kind of genre. But the reality, the only real genre that you need is you. And there's sort of a simplicity to a writing class that can be a very powerful thing and make not just an academic skill for life, but also a personal mental health skill for life. So one of the things I focus on with children when I work on teaching writing is that it's about learning to develop your own voice. Because what kind of a country are we going to have if people don't feel like they have anything to say or that their voice is important in any way? And so here's a song I wrote to introduce what writing and literacy can be, and it's called Talk With Me. And the first time I sang it, I didn't want to give that song to my parents because it's about the difference between looking at a cell phone and looking in the eyes of another person. Talk with me, look me in the eye, tell me how you feel. We will laugh and cry, we'll tell stories straight from the heart. When we sit together, we'll never stand apart. Put down the phone so we can be alone. Don't need a screen to be seen. Talk with me, look me in the eye, tell me how you feel. We will laugh and cry, we'll tell stories straight from the heart. When we sit together, we'll never stand apart. Together, we'll remember what is true. Take the time to find the best in me and you. Talk with me, look me in the eye, tell me how you feel. We will laugh and cry, we'll tell stories straight from the heart. When we sit together, we'll never stand apart. When we sit together, we'll never stand apart. Talk with me.